Argo floats are autonomous devices that sink and rise in the ocean using buoyancy devices, and while doing that they measure temperature and salinity profiles. And it's shown here on the left side. An Argo float sitting near the surface at this stage, then sinking over 6 hours at a speed of 10 centimeters per second to a depth of, the modern ones go to 2,000 meters. Okay, and during this descent measuring temperature and salinity, then hanging on at that depth for around about 10 days, okay, and then rising back, okay, ascending to the surface, and then transmitting data to a satellite, okay, and then repeating the entire sequence. Yeah. And here's an example of the number of Argo floats deployed by countries for September 2009, and you can see that at that time we had about 3,261 Argo floats in the ocean, okay, involved many different countries, and the leading country that is the US, was the US, and Australia also has a big role. 224 is provided by Australia, and you even have countries like Kenya and Mauritius and stuff providing these floats. So it's an international program, and the aim of that program is to understand the oceans. Yeah, they nowadays also use biological sensors in some cases, but are very hard to maintain biological sampling devices. So it's mainly temperature and salinity fields which are used for climate models, and there are quite some important findings from the Argo mission.